What's going on, man? It's your boy Jeff. Back expediting. This time I'm in Michigan. I had one load this morning. It's very local. Got $200 for it. Now I'm sitting. I am sitting. I might be here. I've been sitting here from 2 p.m. It's almost 6 right now. It's almost 6, and I'm probably gonna be here to 8 in the morning. I got a load already for it in the morning. I was trying to get another local load to make up for this sitting period. You know, I got 200 for a local load this morning. I want to get another 200-300 for a local load today. And probably make like 500 or something today. But it didn't happen. So they had already pre-planned me a load for tomorrow morning at 11. But I'm gonna get there when they open it at 8. And I'm gonna pick that motherfucker up at 8. So the reason I'm frustrated is because first I've been sitting. Second reason I'm frustrated is there is a storm on the way. It's called the Landing if I'm not mistaken. It's a Midwest storm. I am in Michigan. It's already got snow out here. It's not snowing, but it's snow that's stuck to the ground from previous snow. Michigan tends to freeze the water when it hits the ground because of how cold it is out here. Now I am praying that everything goes smooth and I'll be able to make it down to Tennessee with my load from Michigan in the morning. I do not want to be stuck. And I'm super frustrated right now because I've been sitting here since 2 p.m. and it's about to be 6. That's 4 hours of nothing. That's very irritating. Now I understand it comes with the game. I already knew that. It's just my first time experiencing that. And it's real difficult right now to just, you know, be sitting right here. Like I'm thinking like, man, I could be goddamn. I could have got this load, took it 200 miles, got some money, killed some time, made some money. None of that going on, man. I don't even want to pull my air mattress out and blow it up and just go to sleep because it's like, I ain't trying to throw off my sleep schedule. It's just crazy, man. But I'm checking in with y'all, man. Hopefully we have a good week at the end of the week. How about that? That's what I'm looking forward to. And hopefully this storm does not cause as much havoc as the hype is building up around it. I know the Midwest gets very crazy during the wintertime. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it at that, man. Pray for the kid. I'm gonna pray for myself. Definitely not gonna be driving if it's like crazy, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pull over. Safety first. Not gonna risk my life to make a load. I gotta go down mountains. And if these roads is icy, I ain't fucking with it. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I lay it down. I got a surprise to show y'all from the last video. I was so cold. Man, I was very cold. I got something to show y'all. Like I copped something that really makes a difference. It makes a difference from being cold at night, man. Makes a huge difference. So, but with y'all in a few. Alright, y'all. I'm back, man. I forgot to show y'all the surprise. But I'm gonna show y'all when I get to where I'm going. But I'm leaving out of Michigan, man. Here's the result of what I told y'all yesterday. It's pretty bad weather, man. Pretty bad. bad weather. I already seen one pretty bad crash with an 18-wheeler. Yeah, they had the road cut off, man. That 18-wheeler was turned all type of ways. But yeah, I'm out here going pretty slow. I'm going, let's see. Right now, I am going 44 miles an hour. This road right here doesn't look too bad, but I really don't even want to chance it. But yeah, I just came to show y'all the weather, man. I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a minute, man. Made it to the Walmart, Nashville. Those are condos over there, apartments. That's a fire. I like that vibe. That's cool. The only big Sprinter motherfucker, dog. Today was a so-so day. Did a decent trip from Michigan to Nashville, Tennessee. I got a call from my driver, from my homie. I don't like to call people my driver. I got a call from my partner. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna use. I got a call from my partner, man. My second Sprinter is down right now. Only 8,000 miles on it. It's already having a PDF problem. No, it's a PFD. It's something to do with DEF. If you guys know about the Sprinter vans, or not even Sprinter vans, just a diesel engine, period. The DEF machines are pretty weird. But I'm gonna keep on pushing, man. We're gonna see what we're gonna get it towed. It's complimentary from Mercedes. Gonna tow it to the nearest dealership, see what they can do. And we're gonna go from there, man. Yeah. I mentioned I had a surprise. Let me go ahead and prop y'all up real quick. There we go. This is my surprise. Boom. North Face sleeping bag. Oh my God, I done had this shit for 2 days. I don't even need a heater. And I'm down here in Tennessee. Tonight gonna be a breeze. It's 55 degrees right now. I don't know what it's gonna hit tonight. Feels pretty good considering that I was just in Michigan. Whew. Very cold in Michigan. But yeah, man. We're gonna try to end this week out good. You know what I'm saying? Like, so far we at like 1,200, almost 1,300 gross. I think I done spent a little less than 200 on gas so far. So we're just gonna say we're at about 1,100, 1,100 gross. I mean 1,100 net for the week. It's Wednesday going into Thursday. Just need to end it out nice, man. I'm looking to I want to make anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000, man, gross. You know, I'll take out a few expenses for diesel, for gas. But yeah, that's what we're trying to end it at. I appreciate y'all for locking in with me. Hey, man, make sure y'all like and subscribe. I'm about to keep coming with content. I'm trying to be as active as possible on here. I'm going in the future get me a GoPro so I don't have to depend on my phone all the time. You know, I need my phone for my maps and all my other activities and my music. If I play the video while I'm doing my music, I can't even vibe. I can't even show y'all how I vibe. I be vibing in this motherfucker. I'm trying to turn up with y'all, you feel me? So just stay down with me. I'm gonna get the GoPro and we're gonna go pro. You feel me? Straight up.